YouTube, what's happening, man? Welcome back to the channel. We got another food review on the channel today, man. Y'all looking at the title, y'all know what we got today from Domino's. We got something new from Domino's. Well, not something new, but something new I tried on the menu. I just eat the pizza. I never really tried anything else, but we're gonna do something different today. We got a sandwich from Domino's. We got this y'all see it? We got the chicken habanero sandwich from Domino's. Yeah, man, just a little sandwich, whatever. I wanted to see. I just was curious to see what it would taste like. Never had it before, so closer look at the sandwich real quick. All right, man. Let's get into it. Got this sandwich from Domino's. Habanero. I want y'all to look at the inside first, man. Jalapenos, habanero sauce, chicken. What else up in there? I'm not sure. Y'all see it? Look at that. Look at the jalapenos, man. Look at that. Look good. But let's try it, man. Let's try this. Let's try this sandwich, man, from Domino's. White meat is tender and juicy. Real tender and juicy. Jalapeno good. As far as the habanero sauce, it's a little spicy, but it's not too bad, man. It's not bad at all, really. It's a little kick, it's a little flavor, a little spices in there. Hit the back of your throat, but it's just good nonetheless. Okay. Chicken habanero sandwich from Domino. What will I rate this? I probably give this a solid 10 out of 10, perfect score. Simply because, I mean, can't really complain with it though. It's really good. Like, it's not bad at all. Nothing. I can't say nothing bad about this. I like the bread that's toasted on. I think the bread is just, wow, this bread is pretty good. The chicken is white meat. It's a white meat chicken, fully cooked. Domino's can't go wrong in my book as far as like food, but I just want to try a chicken sandwich for the first time, man. It's really good. I enjoy it, so get you some. If you like habanero chicken, if you ever tried it, I say try it, man. I recommend it. Anyway, y'all know what to do. Comment, like, and subscribe. And keep watching my videos. Next time, guys, peace.